Hey yo, YouTube, we're back. It's gonna be a great day. Hey guys, say hi. Say hi. It's a great day because you know what this game?
It's a mid-box.
Race truck tuner from, let me see if you can read right here. And these dudes right here, I'll go ahead and tag it in the description below. But these guys are able to help me out with my tuner for my 2018 Ram 2500 6.7 race truck.
Race truck.
So we're gonna go ahead and get right into this. Got Gavin right here to help me out. So let's do this. Does it work? I hope it works.
Okay,
Those of you seen the previous videos of unboxing the exhaust EGR. We're finally done. It's ready. Next video I'm gonna do. Yeah. Next video I'm doing the full-on shebang. There we go, baby. So I'm just freshly opening this, so nothing's planned, nothing is choreographed, nothing. As you can tell, most of my videos are kind of off the whim. What is this? What is this? What's in here?
What is this?
What's this thing? There's nothing in here. Okay, cool. All right, here you go. Look at this. Look at this banging case. I was kind of worried for a little bit, but these guys, dynamic calibration, they're based out of Sparks, Nevada. Funny fact is, that's like my home record. So here we go. Got the actual EFI Auto Cal tuner right here. Oh, drop something. I don't know what it is yet. So, boom, 2018 Cummins bypass installation instructions. I'm assuming that's what this is going to be right here. I'm not the best at wires and stuff, but
with the piece that got the track.
Just more instructions regarding the actual Auto Cal. Here we go. So for the 2018 specifically, you know, due to all the security and all that, you had to get a what do they call it? Bypass cable. Security. So here we go. Simple just USB cord. And here it is. If I remember right, not remember right, I know right. Whoa! This is the bypass right here. As you can tell, that looks just like your OBD2 sensor, whatnot. When I go ahead and do the video next of me doing the EGR, the full turbo back exhaust, and the programmer, I'll show you exactly what I was doing with this here. So there we go. Simple as that. I mean, crazy. It's like a lot of money just for a USB cord. The programmer, this is where it's at. This is money. I can't wait. And the actual bypass cord itself. Just another quick view of what everything that came from dynamic calibration. Gavin, say hi.
Hi.
That's it. Gotta have that EFI Live Auto Cal right there with 4 tunes programmed already in there. Only gonna be running 1 though. The actual bypass cord, just USB, and I haven't quite figured out what that is technically called, but I will make sure to get back with you guys when I find that out. So that is it. It's just a quick unboxing. Not too long. I'll go ahead and drop everything in the description below on where I got this, what I got. So this is my 2018 Ram 2500 6.7. Everything we need. The next video is gonna be lit. What do you think, Gavin? Gavin, man, he just loves his boxes. That's another box right there. I might do another unboxing. That's just a headset, because that's my other thing, as you can tell. I also do video games, huge, so much easier. So. But if you guys have any questions what I'm going to do, anything like that, just hit me up in the comments below. Like, subscribe, tell your friends. Just starting out, brand new, so I'll gladly take any criticism. Peace.